Okay, for the marinade for the pork, which I put into a 2-gallon bag because well, that's all it would fit in. I'm gonna start with a little soy sauce. I don't know how much I just put in, but you can guess. A little Worcestershire sauce. A little dark rum. About a shot. Some, let me get it right, rosemary, but this has to be grinded into it. This will take a minute. Alright, that's good. A little thyme. That looks good. A little sage. Oh, that's not coming out good. Let's open up that. I need more in there. That sounds good. A little Dijon mustard. About 2 tablespoons. Alright. And a little brown sugar, probably about 2 tablespoons. I'll seal that back up later. Let me grab a whisk. Whisk this together. And it's going into that. It is going into this. Some on one side. Flip it over. Some on the other side. Seal it up and into the fridge for about 24 hours, maybe a little less. Okay, now it's time to do it. Making the stuffing for the stuffed pork. Right here I've got a very large clove of garlic diced up or minced. Here I have a half of a yellow onion diced up. Here I have Chardonnay, about a half cup. Here I have bacon diced up, about 6 slices, thick cut. Here I have about 6 ounces of white mushrooms, and here I have about 6 ounces of spinach, baby spinach. Alright, looks melted. Let's add in the onions. Cook them up a bit. You want them to be about translucent. Okay, maybe I got the heat up too much. It says medium, but I'm thinking add in the garlic. But I was thinking add in the garlic because it was starting to smell good. Give it a minute, or less than a minute. Less than a minute. Add in the bacon. Add in the Chardonnay. You want that to cook down. Add in the mushrooms. Alright, I don't want too many juices with this, but juices will come out of the mushrooms and everything. But this is filling. Okay, I'll let it cook about 4 minutes. Time to wilt the spinach. Spinach will be one of the main flavors. I would say, whoa, there we go. Let this cover and wilt. Okay, with letting wilt, cook down about 4 more minutes with the spinach. Tastes so good. Tastes so good. But I did add a little red pepper flakes to it. But like I said, tastes so good. Okay, we haven't delved into it yet, but here we go. Folding out, getting ready for rolling up. Oh, here dripping. Kill that. The stuffing. The stuffing. Continuing with the stuffing. I don't know if you noticed, I laid out some saran wrap. Gonna get this right. Pull that out. Now let's roll it over. Pull it back. Wrap it up. Fold it over. Rinse my hands. So far, seems like good deal for now. Gotta freeze it or refrigerate it for the moment. But I don't think I have room in the freezer for the moment. So, refrigerate and then cook later. Okay, I was thinking about what I did and I wanted to tie it up. And I'm gonna fry it up in a pan, brown it up on the outside, then put it into the oven in a pan. Okay, here we go. looks pretty much browned up. In the pan. And in the oven, 350 degrees, and set the timer for a half hour. Alright, time for the reveal. This is stuffed pork tenderloin, stuffed with spinach and mushrooms, and I marinated the pork before I rolled it up. Let's see how it looks. Oh yeah, and I put bacon on the inside too. Looks pretty good. Looks rolled nice. I am so freaking hungry. Can't wait to consume this.